Hi guys, so my first article is titled Amazon's 401k plan. It's pretty brutal too. It is related to chapter 7, which is about retirement plans. So a little bit about my article. So it's about Amazon, the giant online retailer store, which is about to implement a new retirement plans for the employees working among the company. I related the article with chapter 7 when it states uh, on the article, the match of employee contributions into the 401k plan is below average and may entirely in Amazon stock, which leaves employees dangerously exposed to the company's fortunes. I related this with the book on page 317 when it states that when a company sets up a 401 plan for its employees, it generally selects a plan administrator such as bank, insurance company, or mutual fund company. Employees control how their money is invested by choosing from a selection of mutual funds offered by the administrator for the company plans. The article gives us a good information on what's happening with the 401k, where it states that Amazon's match is also less generous in dollar terms. If Amazon matched employee retirement contribution in cash, a new employee earning $800 a year would get a maximum company contributions of $600. Someone earning that same pay at Apple, Oracle, or Microsoft, by contrast, will get a maximum contributions of $2,400 in her first year. At Facebook, the company contribution would be of $2,800. We can clearly see that Amazon is contributing no more than 2% when other companies may contribute up to 4%. So with this information and using the example 7.2.2 on page 317 of our book, I can be able to provide some calculations. So if I earn, as the book states, $800 a year with Amazon contributing 2%, how much would I have deposited in my 401k plan if I decided to contribute 5%? So I already know that my Amazon contribution is of 2%, leading to a $1,600 a year. So if my contribution would be of 5%, it would add up to $4,000 a year, meaning that if you add both terms, it would give you 5,000 x 6,000, which would have been in my account at the end of the year. So my second article is titled Hertz sells $100 million stake in China to rental company Cars Inc. It is related to chapter 8, which is about mathematical pricing. So Hertz has sold $100 million stake to Car Inc., sending shares of the Chinese car rental company that had invested in April 2013. The company Cars Inc. shares slumped as much as a 7.3% in Hong Kong and traded at a price of $12.88, and Hertz had agreed to place 59.57 million shares to an undisclosed third party at a price of $13.01 per share, representing a 5.6% discount to the closing price on Wednesday. I related this to the book with the definition of markdown or discount, which is from ordinary life. We are all familiar with the idea of prices being marked down, for example, as part of sales or some other promotion. The article provides us the markdown price and the markup percentage using the example 8.1.6 on our book, where we use the markdown formula, which is about MP, which is the markdown price, equals OP, which is the original price, times 1 minus D, which is the percent. So in this case, we have the $13.1 equals the original price, which we are looking for, times 1 minus 5.6%. This is going to give us a percent of 0.944. Then we divide 13.01 by 0.944, which is going to give us the original price, which is of $13.78, meaning that the shares were at the original price of $13.78.